Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a quick unboxing and the review of the Tronsmart Element Mega. So guys, this is the box and on the front we have a quick preview of how the speaker looks like with Tronsmart branding, and it even says 40-watt speaker over here. Now at the sides we have just the name. Once again a quick preview of the device from the top. On the front we get a front view and at the top we are getting a top view. Now that's a really nice way to show off their product. Now on the back, once again we have the same top panel with some buttons and some highlighting features at the bottom. Now this product is sold on Amazon.com at $50 and for some reason in Amazon.in around 10,000 rupees. So that's definitely a huge difference. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. By the way guys, link for the product is in the description. Check it out if you're interested. So this is how we open it. Now at the top we have the speaker itself. Let's just put that aside for now. Next we have a small box with a 3.5mm audio jack with an aux cable and a micro USB charging cable. Next we have the user manual and finally a warranty card. Now that's all we get inside the box. Now coming to the speaker, this is the initial packaging. So this is how the speaker looks on the front, on the top, on the back and at the bottom. Now right out of the box, my first impression about this speaker is it's heavy. Now let's have a quick physical overview and then check out its specs. On the front, once again we have the Tronsmart branding with this mesh kind of a shell housing two speakers on either side. On the top we have a nice matte finish with backlighting, touch buttons for modes, next and previous songs, play or pause, NFC tag and a touchpad for volume control. You can simply swipe on it to increase or decrease the volume, which we'll check in a minute. Now on the back we have the 3.5mm audio jack input, a toggle to turn it on and turn it off, micro SD card slot and a micro USB charging port. It even has the same mesh texture even on the back. Actually it's completely all around. Now at the bottom once again we have a nice matte finish and these are some rubber padding. So when you place it on the phone, as you can see, it isn't sliding or moving easily. So there you go. Now let's turn it on. To turn it on, you just need to toggle the switch. Once you turn it on, it will directly enter into the pairing mode. Now let's see what this Tronsmart speaker packs. It has a 28-core high-fidelity large subwoofer with a maximum output of 40 watts. It has 3D digital sound integrated with DSP technology and it automatically adjusts to your living room. It also has true wireless stereo function where you can use two of these to get a stereo effect. One of them will act like a master and another one will act like a slave, and then you can use it like left and right channel for a stereo effect. It houses two 3300 mAh batteries and it can last you 15 hours of continuous playback. It uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology, so you can have a Bluetooth range of 20 meters. Which is definitely more than sufficient. Now the most interesting features on this speaker would definitely be the touch volume control and the NFC pairing mode. Now the speaker is on, it's in the pairing mode. Now I'm gonna pair my OnePlus 6 with the speaker. And it is that simple. Now this is 50% volume. Now this is 100% volume. So guys, I've used it for a few hours now and it's very loud for its size. It looks cool when you turn it on, especially in complete darkness. Now coming to the audio quality, bass is good, acoustics sounds good. If you are someone who loves to listen to classical music or melody songs, you will love this thing. Now you also get additional features like the SD card support, aux input, and you can also answer calls. And finally, you can have a stereo effect if you have two of these. Now the NFC tag on the top lights up very nicely and it's very convenient to pair the speaker to your phone. So on the whole, it is definitely a pretty good speaker for $50. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.